Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best tarp canopy is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of outdoor equipment you can invest in, offering crucial protection from the elements for everything from backyard gatherings and camping trips to protecting your valuable equipment from sun, rain, and wind, making it an indispensable tool for anyone who spends time outdoors or needs reliable temporary shelter. Number 5. Cool Area 55% Sun Shade Cloth. Enjoy up to 55% shade with our durable fabric. It blocks direct sunlight while ensuring essential air circulation for your plants and spaces. Crafted from 100% new HDPE, this cover is tear-resistant and built for longevity. It's safe, odorless, lightweight, and designed to withstand the elements for 2 to 3 years. Setting it up is a breeze. With grommets spaced every 50 centimeters, you can easily secure it using zip ties or ropes wherever you need shade. Perfect for a wide range of uses, including gardens, patios, greenhouses, kennels, and more. It provides shade for plants, pets, and outdoor living areas. Create a comfortable, cooler environment during hot summer days. This is the ideal solution for providing shade and meeting your diverse outdoor needs. What we like. This tarp offers a moderate 55% shade, perfect for delicate plants or creating a cooler, less intense outdoor space. If you're looking to protect your garden, greenhouse, or create a comfortable shaded area for pets without blocking all light, this is a great choice. It's easy to install and provides a good balance of shade and airflow. What people say. The canopy is easy to set up and take down. It provides excellent shade and protection from the sun. The frame is sturdy and holds up well in windy conditions. Number 4. GEERTOP 17 by 10 foot waterproof camping tarp. Introducing a large camping tarp, measuring 17 by 10 feet. It's lightweight and spacious enough to cover a 4-person tent, hammock, or even a car. Crafted from thickened polyester fabric, this tarp offers excellent waterproof and UV protection. It will keep your gear and tent dry, no matter the weather. This tarp is made from tear-resistant fabric, ensuring durability against abrasions and punctures. It's also designed for easy portability, so you can take it anywhere. Setting up is a breeze with the included reflective ropes and aluminum stakes. You can quickly create a comfortable resting environment for your camping trips. Perfect for various outdoor settings like beaches, forests, and mountains. Its adaptable design provides openness and great ventilation for any group size. Please remember that poles are not included with this tarp. It comes with stakes and guy lines for essential setup. What we like. This is a generously sized, waterproof, and UV-resistant tarp designed for outdoor adventures. If you need a versatile shelter for camping, backpacking, or covering a large area like a hammock or even a car, this option is ideal. Its lightweight nature makes it easy to carry, and it comes with essential setup accessories. What people say. Easy to put up with supplied lines and hooks. Very lightweight. Easy to pack and unpack. Great quality, perfect size, super portable, makes the car awning useless, it actually repels heat or keeps it depending on which side you use it. The fabric is light, but strong. I have no doubt it will protect my camp from weather. It can be overlapped with my existing 10 by 10 tarp to cover a 10 by 20 space. Number 3. Gardesol 10 foot by 20 foot Carport replacement canopy. Introducing Gardesol Carport Replacement Canopy, the perfect solution to refresh your existing carport. This is the top cover only, designed to provide essential protection. Measuring 10 feet by 20 feet, it offers ample coverage. Crafted from durable 180G polyethylene fabric, it shields your vehicle from sun, rain, dust, and snow. This replacement top is waterproof and UV protected, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. It's designed to withstand various weather conditions throughout the year. Featuring high-strength ball bungees, installation is straightforward and secure. These bungees ensure a tight fit to your carport frame, providing stability. Designed for versatility, it fits most standard 10 foot by 20 foot carport frames. Give your carport a new lease on life with this reliable and practical replacement canopy. What we like. This is specifically designed as a replacement top for standard 10 foot by 20 foot carport frames. If your existing carport cover is damaged or worn out, this provides a cost-effective solution to protect your vehicle from sun, rain, dust, and snow. It's a practical choice for maintaining your carport's functionality. What people say. This replacement seems to be of excellent quality, with a coating on it, and it is a bit thicker than the El Cheapo crap that many vendors try to sell. The material is thick and durable. This was quite different. Funny, but my husband wanted to cut off the pieces that hang down the ends, and I said no, that's what helps keep it tight. And it was true. Now this was a replacement one for a carport I bought years ago. This was at least my 4th replacement, and it is truly the best. It was a little harder to install, and I had to get a little creative with some zip ties at the footing area since it was just a couple of inches shorter than I needed. This thing hasn't shifted at all, nor do I have any pooling. Number 2. Bessport Camping Tarp 16 by 9.8 feet. Introducing the Bessport Camping Tarp, measuring a generous 16 by 9.8 feet. It's perfectly sized to accommodate multiple people and can be used as an underlay for your tent, providing an extra layer of moisture protection. This tarp offers reliable protection from both rain and sun. Crafted from durable, ripstop polyester with a high waterproof rating, it ensures long-lasting defense against the elements and effectively blocks harmful UV rays. Engineered for durability, it features double reinforced stitches at all stress points. This design prevents ripping and leaking, even in challenging outdoor conditions, giving you peace of mind. Setting up is a breeze with the included poles, guy lines, and pegs. With multiple anchoring points, you can easily configure it as a tent, a hammock shelter, or an awning in just minutes. This tarp is the ideal companion for all your outdoor pursuits. Use it over a hammock, as a dining shelter, a ground blanket, or even a backyard kitchen cover. It's designed for every outdoor enthusiast. What we like. This tarp comes with poles and boasts a high PU 3000mm waterproof rating, making it excellent for rain protection. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who needs a reliable shelter for camping, hiking, or creating an awning, this is a fantastic option. The reinforced stitching ensures durability, and it's versatile enough for various setups. What people say. This tarp provides sunshade and rain protection for 3 fully grown men to set up their sleeping area with fully set up cots and ample space in between the cots for movement and gears. The cords are reflective to color red flashlights, so you don't trip over the cords. The stakes can be easily inserted into the ground with just fingers. The physical part of the tarp is nice. It's big and looks built well for the price and provided plenty of cover over the table. It rained cats and dogs, was super windy, and with this thing staked down properly it didn't move an inch and kept everything bone dry. Number 1. King-A-MA-JIGS 10 by 10 Waterproof Tarp. Introducing our 10 by 10 waterproof tarp, designed to keep your belongings dry and protected. It's built to withstand the elements, offering reliable coverage for various needs. Whether you're camping, hiking, or need an emergency shelter, this tarp is your perfect companion. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry without adding bulk to your gear. This light to medium-duty tarp offers a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. It's a great alternative for regular use, providing dependable protection at an affordable price. Featuring metal grommets every 18 inches, reinforced corners, and rope-enhanced hems, this tarp is designed for durability. Its double lamination ensures it can handle regular use and various weather conditions. Stay protected from rain, dust, and UV rays with this versatile cover. It's waterproof, dustproof, and resistant to weather and tears, making it ideal for outdoor use. We stand behind the quality of our products. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a full refund, ensuring your peace of mind with every purchase. What we like. This is a lightweight and affordable tarp, perfect for general-purpose use and emergency situations. If you need a basic, waterproof cover for camping, gardening, or protecting items from the elements without a significant investment, this is a good pick. Its reversible design offers flexibility, and it's easy to pack and carry. What people say. This tarp canopy is very sturdy and well made. It held up well in strong winds and heavy rain. The canopy was easy to set up and take down. It comes with all the necessary hardware and clear instructions. The material of the tarp is thick and durable, providing excellent protection from the sun and rain. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.